Imagine making $1,000 plus daily without leaving your home. These 11 business ideas shows you exactly how. Hey friends, today I'm going to show you how you can make money from home with 11 proven business ideas that can earn you $1,000 or more per day. And the best part, I'll take you through each step-by-step process for free. That's right, by the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to start your own successful home-based business. Let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's talk about how real people like YouTuber Joshua Mayo have transformed their life with these business ideas. Joshua started from scratch and now earns a significant income daily by leveraging the power of online businesses. His journey is proof that with dedication and the right strategy, you can achieve the same success. Now let's explore how you can do it too. Let's start with a unique business idea, selling print-on-demand candles. You don't even need to make the candles yourself. Here's how. Sign up for Printify. Head over to Printify and create a free account. This platform allows you to sell custom candles without the hassle of inventory. Create an Etsy shop. Go to Etsy, sign up for a free account and open your Etsy shop. Use Canva, a free design tool to create high-quality candle labels. Canva has numerous templates you can use. Connect your Printify account to your Etsy shop. When someone buys a candle, Printify handles the manufacturing and shipping. Link in the description for a free 30-day trial to help you get started on Printify. Next, let's talk about selling motivational posters. This business has a low barrier to entry and a high profit potential. Use a free AI tool like ChatGPT or Gemini to create motivational quotes. Design posters, head over to Canva and add your quotes to a document. Upload to Printify or Galato. These platforms will print and ship your posters on demand. Link your Etsy shop to Printify or Galato and you're ready to sell. Managing your business finances can be tricky, but the Found app makes it easy. It's a banking app designed for self-employed business owners. Set up your account, create your free account in minutes, integrate business tools. Use Found to manage your bookkeeping, payroll, and taxes. Another profitable idea is selling stained glass designs. Here's the process. Source designs from AliExpress. Find affordable stained glass designs. List on Etsy. Create product listings on your Etsy shop. Order and ship. When someone buys a design, order it from AliExpress and ship it directly to the customer. Printables are digital products like planners and wall art. Here's how to start. Create designs on Canva. Use Canva to design your printables. List on Etsy. Upload your designs to Etsy. Use digital download links to automate the delivery process. Abby started her successful business as a print on demand for mental health purposes and has grown massively ever since. If you're good with spreadsheets, this idea is for you. Design useful templates like budgeting or habit tracking sheets in Google Sheets or Excel. List on Creative Market and Etsy. Sell your template on these platforms. Automate sales. Set up digital downloads for instant delivery 24/7 and anywhere around the world. Branded dropshipping focuses on creating a unique identity for a single product. Create a Shopify store. Sign up for Shopify and create your store. Find a product to brand and sell. Use Canva to create your brand identity. Focus all your energy on marketing this one product. Custom flip-flops are another great product to sell. You can use Canva to create flip-flop designs, then use Printify to handle production and shipping. Make sure to list your flip-flops on multiple platforms like Etsy, eBay, and more. Here's another success story of Zahra using Printify for footwear business. Medium content books like coloring books are in demand. Use AI to generate book pages, complete with BookBot. Combine the pages into a book, sell your book on Amazon's marketplace and watch the sales pour in. Joshua Mayo has had great success with this business model and it's also really easy to start. Building websites is always in demand. Learn WordPress. Watch YouTube tutorials to learn all the tips and tricks to create a successful WordPress website. Create a Hostinger account. Use Hostinger for website hosting. Install Elementor. Then use this plugin for easy site building. Market your service to small businesses. Lastly, let's talk about online courses. Identify your skill. Find something you're good at. Create course content. Use tools like Canva to create videos and materials. Go on to sell your course on Udemy and Skillshare. Joshua Mayo has shown that you don't need to be an expert to make money with courses. If he can do it, then you can do it too. I understand that a few of these ideas may not be for everyone. For example, creating tutorials or selling physical products online. And that's why I've got this extremely simple method that can net you in $2,329 a day by using only 2 apps, and I explain how to do this step by step in this video right here. So if you're serious, click on it and start earning right away. And as always, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more content like this.